call out stop for me if you would. So let's say you called out stop right here on this card. This card is now going to be yours. Your card is the 2 of hearts. We'll take 2 of hearts, lose it about halfway into the deck. Doesn't matter exactly where, as long as the 2 of hearts is completely lost. So we'll push it all the way in. Now, because the 2 of hearts is not on top of the deck, we have the King of Hearts. So the King of Hearts is going to help us find the 2 of hearts by, well, becoming the 2 of hearts. That move at the end is called Shapeshifter, and I'm going to be teaching you that move today. Shapeshifter is a color change. Color change is when one card changes into another card extremely fast. So here's another example called the Erdnase change, where you change it from the 7 of spades with one wave of your hand to the 7 of diamonds. But first, let me teach you how to do Shapeshifter. And if you're wanting this deck of playing cards, you can actually check it out in the description for 10% off using code CardPerfectMagician. To do Shapeshifter, you're going to have to push over a card, but don't just push over one, push over 2. The spectator just thinks you did a sloppy, but really you're catching a break under this second card. Catching a break is when you actually insert your pinky underneath this card. That way when you turn it over and pick it up, you're now going to be holding 2. You're going to hold the card in your right hand between your thumb and middle finger. You're also going to hold it in the deck hand between your thumb and ring finger. That's on the opposite 2 corners. Once you're here, you're going to bend down with your left hand and up with your right hand. Then should look like this. Now when I do it, I bend down and I release with my ring finger, which should pop it up like that. But if you release with this finger and then a second later release with your thumb, it will then rotate all the way around, flipping it to the other side. Clearly right now if it's like this, you can't just set it on the deck. The nice thing about this is it instantly cleans itself up because once it turns over, you can just set it down and hand out this card freely, just like that. The best way to do Shapeshifter is not just taking it, flipping a card over, and actually just performing Shapeshifter. The best way to do it is to do it in a magic trick. Now the way I did it in the performance was I first did a double lift, which is when you flip over 2 cards as if they are 1. So in this case, your card is the 4 diamonds. Then I did a card control. When I riffled down, I didn't actually take the top card and move it to the middle. I actually slid off this bottom card with my middle and ring finger like this. So I pushed a random card in so I could keep both cards on top, because I need your card to be in the second position. That way once I flipped this card over and did the Shapeshifter change, it changes into your card. Now although this change is fun, a much easier one is the Erdnase change, which I showed you at the beginning, which looks like this. And if you're wanting to learn that one for yourself, I'd highly recommend the tutorial right there. So make sure to subscribe for more magic trick tutorials like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.